Now to the search for survivors after those deadly tornadoes hit Tennessee. We now know one of them was an EF4 with winds reaching 175 miles per hour. Victor Oquendo is in Putnam County, Tennessee, with much more on all this. Good morning, Victor.
Good morning, Robin. They took the brunt of that EF4 right here. Homes were blown away, shredded, reduced to piles of debris and rubble. Of the 25 people who died across Middle Tennessee, 18 of them were right here in Putnam County. And as you take a look from above, you'll understand why. This neighborhood was decimated, 360-degree devastation. There is nothing left, and there are still people missing. This morning, an urgent search for the missing after at least 2 devastating tornadoes in Tennessee claimed the lives of at least 25 people.
It's horrifying.
These exclusive new thermal images from a drone police are using to help find those who might still be trapped in the rubble.
I've done a lot of these since Hurricane Katrina, hurricanes and tornadoes. This is probably one of the worst tornado scenes I've seen.
Grandson, youngest, my son-in-law, and their babysitter.
I'm so sorry.
Both my nephews lost their parents in one night. One storm killed them both and all.
Lamar Redman losing his sister and brother-in-law, Kathy and Keith Selby.
This is the front porch, and beyond that porch was the home itself.
It's gone.
It's completely gone.
The youngest victim, just 2 years old. Sawyer Kimberlin died, along with his parents, Josh and Aaron. But amid the tragedy, harrowing stories of survival.
If we hadn't woken up, we'd be gone. You know, there's no way we'd even be here. I woke my wife up, and we just took off running down to the basement.
73-year-old Jean Gregory's husband, Frank, using himself as a human shield to protect her.
So he came in and he dragged me off the bed and threw me on the floor. Got on top of me and we rode it out.
That couple somehow lucky enough to walk away without a scratch. Search crews will be out again later this morning. The way one neighbor put it, life as they knew it here is gone. Robin?
All right, Victor. The region is facing another severe weather threat today. Rob, just back from Tennessee, has the latest. Good morning, Rob.
Good morning, Robin. Luckily, what came through yesterday wasn't a repeat of what went through Tennessee, but still damage across parts of Mississippi. This is Canton, Mississippi, and they're sending a survey team out to see if this was in fact a tornado. Certainly looks like wind strong enough for that. All right, here's the low that's causing all this headache. Motoring down I-10 today, and the severe weather threat's going to be from Tallahassee up through southern Georgia, then later on today, Jacksonville through Savannah. Damaging winds, a few tornadoes possible with this, and some large hail before it moves off on Friday. There is a flood component to this. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. Amy, over to you.
All right, Rob, thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.